and relevant safety equipment. With in-house knitting webbing, dyeing, logo printing, cutting, sewing, and packing, N-Chain not only offers customized webbing colors, customized logos, but also customized designs for all series of our products. The products are widely used in marine engineering, transportation and shipping, heavy lifting, ship equipment, aerospace, marine ranching, resource exploration, electric power construction, emergency rescue, mining, water conservancy protection, and other fields. Our main markets include North America, Europe, South Asia, Middle Eastern. N-Chain are committing and persisting in the enterprise tenet of superior quality, competitive price, outstanding service. We persist in the principle of severely choosing materials to ensure qualified products with R&D supports. More than 13 years manufacturing experience, fully equipped production lines and test equipment to establish a reliable quality assurance system. Advanced R&D Center offering quick and strong supports to new developments and your orders. AQL 2.5 inspection for bulk orders and 99% qualified rate thorough quality control system. Every step is under strict inspection to ensure that every product is perfect. Once again, we value the trust you have put in our products and services. Thank you. Contact with us anytime, any questions.